Hi guys, I'm Cheong from Carpenter Design Group. Today let me show you a bold modern concept HDB in Sengkang. This is the green wall that I'm selected for my homeowner to match with a wooden platform.
And here we have the kitchen of our home. I would like to thank Knight for recommending us for an open concept for our kitchen. We wanted storage and space in the kitchen because it's relatively small, and he came up with the ladder unit that we can have for our dry pantry, and the drawers are big enough for us to have all our pots and pans. In our bedroom, we have requested Knight for a feature wall that we really like, and he have managed to do it to how we have liked it. And the color that he recommended really suits our home and the room. And also the additional idea of having a side table really works for us to put our little things at night. In our bathroom, we have decided to choose a black and white theme. From the tiles that we have chosen, the marble tile against the white tile to give a better contrast. And with this, we also chose a rain shower so that we can have a relaxing time after a long day of work. Lastly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my designer, Knight, for designing our home to such a cozy and welcoming place for all my guests. Good job, Knight.
Thank you.